My name's Diana. I'm 34 years old. I have a nearly 16-year-old daughter, Morgan, who is everything to me.
I'm Morgan. I live with my mom and my grandparents in Windsor, Ontario. I like drawing and photography because I've always watched my mom do it since I was younger, and I always just really liked playing with her cameras, and that's just something that stuck with me.
When she was 8, I lost all sensation in my legs for a few weeks. The first time the MS whistle was blown by a doctor was by a neurosurgeon. He explained it to me as it's almost like a frayed wire. Your brain isn't doing what it's supposed to be doing.
I love my mom. No matter what, I'll always love her. If she didn't have MS, then we could spend more time together. I love spending time with my mom, and I would like to do that more, but I know that sometimes she just can't.
She didn't understand. She didn't understand until she was about 13. It's very recent for her to actually grasp what it is. But she's seen me relapse. She's seen days when I can't get up. That was probably the hardest part, was I've always been very independent, I don't need anything, I don't need anybody, I don't need any help. And I realized I needed help. When I was diagnosed and when I was explaining it to my daughter, there wasn't very much out there that I found. There was a video that used a lot of big words. My daughter was 8. She had no idea what a myelin sheath was.
I've always loved comic books because my stepdad bought a lot of them. I just always loved reading and looking at them. So now it's just really cool to actually be in one. Being featured in the comic book about MS is really cool because I think it's a really good way of explaining to kids. It's explaining it a lot more than I was ever explained.
This is something that is really exciting for me because this gives a resource to a family that otherwise would have to look at their kids and just say, "Mommy's just tired." I have to count my blessings, and I'm grateful for my daughter and her friends and how loving they are to each other and how loving they've all been with me. Life before was a little bit brighter, but that doesn't mean it's not bright now.